In this video, we will start working on basic stations of language fitness and take a closer look at station number 3, active or passive reading, and station number 4, iteration. Working at the third station, a student needs to read and translate a part of a text. A teacher can help and add new words and grammar clichés to the vocabulary. Depending on the level of the student, the amount of processed information may vary. Usually we read 3-6 sentences or add up to 4 new words before making a pause. One can add words to the sprint in several ways. You can write the words down or paste them in the appropriate sprint field. For example, the student doesn't know the word day, and we can write down a day. For example, the student couldn't translate the word postman. We can just copy this word and paste it in the 7th field. Also, you can highlight the word, click the right button of your mouse and choose the option Add to Table. You can also copy the word, click this big plus, paste the word right here and choose the option Word. And click OK, and the word appears right here. Reading can also be active and passive. Passive reading means that a student reads a text from the second language, for example, from English, to the first one, to the native one, for example, Ukrainian. A teacher can use original literature, school curriculum exercises, and texts provided by the student. This type of reading is commonly used by the starters. After the level of the starter student improves, he or she can move to active reading, which is based on reading the text from the native language to the second one. This method is often used during the first lesson with the student and while working with adopted literature. Active reading helps to estimate the real level of students' active vocabulary and the general level of English skills. After this stage, we need to move to the station of iteration. Iteration can also be active and passive. We usually use passive iteration after reading a part of a text. So a student is asked to iterate 4 new words from the last one to the first one, plus 1 grammar cliché. So basically 5 words. So he or she reads and translates the words from the second language to the first one. If the words are written in students' native language, they can translate these words right away.